Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing quick and easy because it's quick and easy day. So this is what I'm sharing today. This little treat holder you can make in minutes. So I am using, for the inside of this, these little Lindt Bunnies. I can't talk today, y'all, so I'm warning you ahead of time. I'm so tired because my grandson they were in the varsity state championship for hockey this weekend, and they won, y'all. I'm still on a high over it. They played Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and they were undefeated through the whole thing. It was so exciting, and yeah, I posted it on Facebook. If you are Facebook friends with me, I'll post it on my Stamping with Amore page so some of you can see. I'm just so happy and proud of him, and it was exhausting because it's kind of stressful when you're watching it. For me, it is anyway. I enjoy it so much, but oh my gosh, that last game, it was a nail biter. So yeah, anyway, I am like so tired, and that's why I can't speak today. But this is super quick and easy, and you can see the side here. And I've made similar things to this before, and I totally forgot about these. And y'all, these are great for classrooms, to take to nursing homes. You can make a bunch of these. You can have the kids help you to make them. Yeah, it's really easy. I just put a simple sentiment on it with the two little ovals, and I'm using the ovals from the frame scenes dies that I used this weekend on my other project. If you didn't see it, this is the project I shared with the little window in here and the little bunny. He's so adorable. I love this one. I love seeing inside. But yeah, this is the one I shared. So this is on Sunday's tutorial, but it's the same oval that I'm using for the front. I'm just using the larger one and the smaller one this time. All right, so let's get started with this. And what you'll need for it is I am using Petunia Pop again. I love this for Easter. It's just the perfect color, I think. This is 8 1/4 by 3 1/4. And then to mat it, you need one piece that is 2 7/8 by 3, and this one's 7/8 by 3. And then I've already cut out the Petunia Pop in the larger, and then the basic white in the smaller. The Designer Series paper that I'm using is this adorable, cute as can be. I used this before on another project, but these are the back sides of the little bees. But this paper is so cute. Look at this paper, y'all. It is so cute. I love this paper. There is a stamp set that goes with this as well. So that's what I'm using for the Designer Series paper. I'm also using the Petunia Pop ribbon on this one. All right, let's go ahead and stamp here. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp my Happy Easter. Oh, the Happy Easter is from the Choose Happy die. I used this before as well. If you want to add the little bunny, you can, but I just wanted to make it super quick and easy. And I used the Happy Easter from this one too. And these are the dies, the frame scenes dies. So the two ovals, which I can put these back now because I already cut them out, go in here. So yeah, it's a really cute, and I love this frame. It looks like wood grain. It's really pretty when it's cut out. All right, so those two are the only two we're using for this. So let's stamp our Happy. I'm doing the Happy kind of at a slant. And then I'm going to do the Easter straight on. That is so cute. You can even do that in Petunia Pop if you want to keep it really coordinated. And then we're just going to, I'm going to use my wet glue. By the way, I cleaned my nozzle out and it helped it. Now it's working fine. But I think that you should not leave it like overnight in the little, when I first got it, I could leave it overnight and it was still going, but I don't know what happened, but now when I leave it overnight, it gets clogged really fast. All right, so then I am also going to use these are the hole punch assortment. These three come together, but I'm using just this straight one this time, and that's to slide the ribbon through. We're going to make it really quick and easy. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is score this piece, And we are going to score it on the 8 1/4 side. I'm going to score it at 1/2. No, we're scoring it at 1, not 1/2. You're going to score it at 1, 1 1/2, 4 3/4, and 5 1/4. That's it. Y'all, these will go super quick and easy. Like I said, it's just the perfect one if you want to make a bunch like for coworkers or for nursing homes. Anything like that would be super, super quick and easy for. I'm going to sharpen these really quick. I'll show you how quick this goes. We are going to go ahead and mat it. Again, I'm going to use my wet glue here. I love when it works good. Put that on here. I love this little plaid. It's so cute. But if you know me, you know I love this plaids and polka dots and gingham and all right. And then this one goes on the top here. So I am going to take this straight punch and I'm going to guesstimate it in here. I'm going to just eyeball it till it's in the center. I'm going to use some of my Seal Plus. I'm going to put that right here. And it's just going to hold on these little bunnies. You can use the Reese's eggs too, or the Reese's bunnies. They have Reese's bunnies as well. And then this one, I'm going to line it up so this is nice and straight. I'm going to mark it with my pen or pencil. And we are going to punch that out as well. All right, there we go. Now that's going to line up like that. We're going to grab our ribbon and we are going to put it through here. And make sure you cut enough for a bow. And then I'm going to put this one through here. And then it's going to go back up through this top one. Just like that. And last one, I tied a knot in this part, so it was really tight and stayed in the position that it stayed, like just like that. Y'all, you can just leave it like that and put little tails on that if you want to make it super easy. I'm going to use the little round punch, the hole punch. This is an 1/8 inch hole punch. And I did cut part of this off so this lines up a little bit straighter. So then you're going to just tie this on with a bow. Can't get much easier than this, y'all. And it's so cute. Really, really easy to do. I'm just going to cut the little tails. And that is it. Look how quick, easy that is, y'all. Look at how fun too. Isn't it cute? I just love that. It's going to go off to the side unless you cut more off of it on the top, and then if you want it perfectly straight, but I thought it was kind of cute at an angle anyway. But there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Sorry for the fumbling words and stuff. It's just been a long weekend. But thank you so much for taking the time of the day to come and watch. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you need to place an order, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. And if you place an order, I'd appreciate you using the host code. And that's it. I hope you all have a great one. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.